All right, I'm going to show you how to divide decimals. Up here we have 40 divided by 0.5. Now, we have a decimal point right here. There's no decimal right here. Now, the point is this 0.5 is dividing into the 40, so that's also called the divisor. Now, if the divisor has a decimal point, we need to get rid of that decimal point. So that's the first thing we want to do. Get rid of decimal Okay, so how do we get rid of the decimal point? Well, all we have to do is this, 0.5 into 40. Now the 0.5, we get rid of it by multiplying by 10. So if I multiply by 10, it's got 1 0, so that means the decimal place is going to move to the right, isn't it? Because we're multiplying. So it's going to move to the right how many times? Well, there's 1 0, so we're going to move 1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to move to the right, and it's going to go right there. So the 0.5 now becomes 5, because I multiplied that by 10. So this 0.5 now becomes 5, because I multiplied by 10. Now this 40, I need to multiply that by 5. So 40, I need to multiply that by 10. Why? Because if I multiply this by 10, I've got to multiply that by 10. So 10 times 40 is 400. So that now becomes, in there, 400. So let's put that in there. Now that's exactly the same as doing that. So 0.5 divided into 40 is the same as 5 divided into 400. So now the easy part is just to divide 5 into 400. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's look at the first two digits, which is 40. How many times does 5 go into 40? Goes in 8 times, because 5 times 8 is 40. So 8. How many times does 5 go into the 0 there? It doesn't go, so we bring the 0 up here. So 5 into 40 goes in 80 times, which is exactly the same as 0.5 into 40 is also 80 times. So the answer, 0.5 into 40, 80. There you go.